In this video, we'll walk you through importing designs from Figma into your Slickplan project. To start, go to the Designs section in your site planning project's navigation bar. Click the Upload Mockups button in the upper right corner. Choose Direct Sync from the menu to link your Figma account with Slickplan. Click Connect Account and grant permission by clicking Allow Access in the pop-up window. Enter your Figma team ID in the designated field, then click Submit Figma Team ID to complete the connection. You can import Figma designs without a direct connection by manually entering file URLs. Instructions provided later in the video. Select your desired Figma project and design file for import using Direct Sync. Click the Submit Figma File button once you've made your choices. Assign imported designs to specific pages in your sitemap by checking the box next to each file name of the designs you want. Then, choose a page from the drop-down menu under the thumbnail. Click Apply Changes on the bottom bar, then click Save and Add Mockups to finish. Your chosen Figma designs will be linked to the assigned sitemap pages. To import designs without connecting directly to Figma, enter their URLs manually. Choose Skip this under the Direct Sync connection method. Paste the Figma file URL in the pop-up window, click Add. Repeat for more files, then click Add Files to start importing. Use the instructions in the video to assign your Figma designs to sitemap pages. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.